Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair Euro USD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that Euro USD on a weekly time frame, after making a retest to this major key level and after making a retest to this newly forming downtrend line with these two retest points, Euro USD closed this week with this bearish engulfing candle looking like this. So it's showing sign of Euro USD respecting this key level as its strong resistance level and also respecting this trend line as its newly forming downtrend line in between this downtrend channel which it has been following up for a really long time. So Euro USD seeing how facing a strong bearish momentum from this key level, it does look like that Euro USD after making a retest to this downtrend channel's downward trend line and also this major key level went for a pullback and it finished its pullback and is continuing this bearish downtrend line move that it started all the way from here to all the way over here. So if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see how Euro USD made a breakout of this key zone right about here and continued with further bearish move all the way about to make a retest on this key zone over here. Now Euro USD has been ranging in between these two key zones for quite a while now. As you can see, all this move in between these two key zones, so it kept on ranging in between this key zone and made a breakout of this ranging phase with this bearish move. Now it has this key zone as a support zone which it needs to make a breakout of to continue pushing down all the way to retest this previous low, and a breakout of even this low might lead Euro USD to continue pushing down to make new lower low. Similarly, if Euro USD is about to go down, then it needs to respect this key zone like the support zone of its previous ranging zone over here as its resistance zone. So Euro USD might either go for some pullback all the way to here or might make some small pullback and then continue to push down. However, if it is to go for some deeper pullback, then it might come all the way up to retest this key zone and respect that key zone, or all the way up to retest any of these key zone over here as its resistance zone and then continue to push down with further bearish move. However, whatever the case is, like Euro USD needs to respect this key zone or like this high at very least, like the previous high as its resistance zone to continue pushing down. Now on a 4-hour time frame, you can see pretty much the same key levels and stuff over here and also the same downtrend line. So what we are looking for EURUSD for the upcoming week is that EURUSD might make a retest on this key zone, and if it does form a bit of a structure over here after making a retest on this key zone or after showing signs of making a breakout of this key zone with some stop loss hunt over here and makes a breakout of that structure with further bearish move, then we can look for trades on the short side on EURUSD in hopes of EURUSD coming all the way down to retest this key level over here. And if it even continues to go down by breaking and closing below this previous low with further bearish move, then we can look for trades even on the short side in hopes of EURUSD coming all the way down to retest this key level over here which it drew on the basis of its previous retest points over here. So you can see it has this clean candle over here except for this key level which has multiple retest points. So if it does continue to push down by breaking below its previous low over here, then this is where we're looking for EURUSD to come to if it continues with further bearish move. However, if EURUSD on the upcoming week, instead of making a breakout of this low with further bearish move, if it finds a strong support around at this key zone and continues to form higher lows and makes a retest on this key zone and eventually make a breakout of this key zone with further bullish move, like make a break and close above this key zone, then that could be an indication of EURUSD finding strong support around here and might be pushing upward to make a new higher high over here. And in that case, we need to wait for a breakout from this high on EURUSD to look for trades. So if it does make a break and close above this key zone, continues to push up, then we can look for trades if it makes a breakout of this high over here with further bullish move in hopes of EURUSD coming all the way up to retest this key level over here which has multiple retest points even over here. And also you saw that key level on the daily time frame right around here, and then could also be another retest on this downtrend line, like this major downtrend line over here. So we can wait to see what EURUSD does around at this key zone and around at this key zone, and then look for trades. So that's my analysis on EURUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll give you a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key zones and stuffs are. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on EURUSD.